Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, the most gracious, the most merciful. Malik Yawm Ad-Din, master of the day of judgment. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Thee do we worship, and thine aid do we seek. Ihdina as-sirata al-mustaqim, show us the straight path. Sirata alladhina an'amta alayhim, the path of those on whom you have bestowed your grace. غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين, not the path of those whose portion is wrath or who go astray. Ameen. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Qul huwallahu ahad. Say, Allah is one. Allahu samad, the eternal. Lam yalid wa lam yulad, begets not nor is he begotten. Wa lam yakun lahu kufuwan ahad, and there is none other unto him. Allahu Akbar. Sami Allahu liman hamidah. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.